Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about the latest onboarding updates and joinings of different companies like Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini and Cognizant. So first of all, from Wipro we are going to talk about the embark forms that you need to fill. Next is from Infosys, there is the rescheduling of joining again that has been happening, so we are also going to talk about that. And after that we are going to see Cognizant joining updates, that is what is the next joining update from Cognizant, joining date from Cognizant. And lastly we are also going to see the Capgemini onboarding updates. So make sure that you watch the video till complete end, as there is a lot of important information in the video for all of you. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I regularly upload off-campus drives as well as placement preparation videos on the channel. So also I have uploaded a video related to the background verification for Wipro. So if you have not checked that, make sure to do so, as the Wipro background verification is currently going on. If you have not followed me on Instagram, make sure to follow, as I regularly upload job postings there as well. So let's start with our first onboarding update, which is from Cognizant. So the update is as such that the next joining date from Cognizant is 7th of January 2023, and the last joining date was 23rd of December. If you remember, I have created a video on that too. So I regularly create videos related to the latest onboarding dates. So at that time also I have mentioned that the training of those candidates will happen in the month of January. So right now the candidates who joined on 23rd of December are waiting and will be given training in the month of January, and the candidates who are going to be join the company in the month of January, that is on 7th Jan, are going to have their CSD training. And you must complete the background check first of all if you are going to join the company. Okay, so this is very much mandatory, as background check will be like compulsorily done, and in a very proper manner you should do. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section, and there are many candidates who have joined, they will also guide. Moving on to the next onboarding update, which is from Infosys. So Infosys has again sent the mail of DOJ deferred mail, which means that the joining date is rescheduled again. So let me read out the mail. Dear candidate, greetings from Infosys. We are so pleased that you have accepted our offer of employment, and we look forward to welcoming you into the Infosys soon. One of the reasons our employees build thriving, growth-centric careers at Infosys is because their onboarding and skills nurturing is directly aligned to the client requirements. To facilitate this advantage for you and to better align the start of your career with most relevant projects, we are rescheduling your employment start date to 22nd May 2023. Now again, this rescheduling is done from the February to March to May month. And so one suggestion for all the candidates who are going to join Infosys is, please keep on applying, as you don't know how long they are going to reschedule your joinings. And again, if you just want to join Infosys, then start preparing for your FA exams, as once you join Infosys you are going to have your FA exams, and it is mandatory to clear them. We have seen many candidates who got terminated from Infosys because they were failed to clear the FA exams of Infosys. Make sure that you start preparing for your Java. Moving on to our next onboarding update, which is from Wipro. So Wipro is sending this kind of mails wherein you need to complete your embark forms. So let me read out the mail. First of all, congrats, you are now one step closer to becoming a part of Wipro family. We would like to ensure that you have a smooth onboarding experience. Hence, as the next step, please proceed to embark our very own onboarding portal to fill the joining forms and complete the rest of the onboarding procedure. And there you will be given the link to access your embark onboarding portal. So what you need to do is you need to fill your embark forms, and those includes personal details and your educational details, your work experience details, your address details, and your declaration forms. So all of these I have explained in this video related to Wipro background verification. If you have any doubts related to it, let me know in the comment section and I will clear your doubts. So again, for those candidates who have not received this mail and can see the details on the embark portal, please do not fill your embark forms, because once you get any communication from the company, then only you should fill all these documents. So if your friend has got and you have not got, and you can see that on your portal these details are mentioned, so don't do it yet. If you get any communication via mail or anything on your portal, then only just do it, otherwise don't do it. Okay, so only those candidates just fill this information who has got this kind of information over their mail. Moving on to the next update, which is from Capgemini. So Capgemini DOJ mails are released, which means that Capgemini has given the new date of joining, which is April 6th and April 24th. So this kind of mail you can see in this, the update is mentioned like onboarding update, combine all the onboarding details and instruction under one heading. Mode of onboarding will be physical, mode of training will be physical, date of onboarding will be 27th of April 2023, and your onboarding and training location will be your Pune, and your address will be given for the onboarding location. Your reporting time will be 8:30 a.m. Note, post your training program, the final work location, office location and plan will be updated as per the business requirement. So your training location is Pune as of now, and your final location will be updated to you after your training. So make sure, so all the candidates waiting for your Capgemini onboarding will be given the onboarding in the month of April and May, as the company has mentioned like 2 weeks ago only, that all the candidates who are waiting for your Capgemini onboardings will be given the joining in the month of April and May, and the same is the same company is doing also. Okay, so elite phase 2 candidates who are expecting their joining can expect their joining in the between the months of January till May. Okay, so again I have explained it in multiple times in many videos that phase 1 already the company has started giving the joining, and again for phase 2 joinings will be expected from the month of January to May. So with this, I hope I have covered almost all the latest update on the onboarding. If you have any more doubts, let me know in the comment section and I will answer your queries. Make sure to join me on different social media platforms and make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all the regular updates from our channel. Thank you for watching the video.